earlier also such attempt, but yeah,
this attempt will be much better than any other attempts before. We are all we are divided as Hindus, Christian, Buddhists. When we go out of Northeast, nobody knows whether you're a Meitei or a Kuki. Nobody knows whether you're a Ahom or you're a Bodo or a Dimasa or a Karbi or a Riang or a Jamati or a Deb Burma or a Mizo, right? But when we go outside, because we are divided, people take advantage of us, exploit us, and because we have been divided, all our lands which have gas, oil, petrol, tea gardens, cement, uranium, we are exploited. So I think the time has come where we don't think as Khasi, Garos and Jaintiyas, Bodos, Dimasas, Tiprasas, we come together and we speak in one voice for one Northeast. Northeast needs also a voice which speaks in a singular way, and I think that we should all get together and do so. I have seen this in Nagaland. Mr. Rio has now is trying to unify all the Naga parties, and I will try to do the same with other parties in the Northeast. And why not come together and speak in one voice for the people of our region, rather than saying the same thing in different platforms and nobody hears us seriously.
till now, how has been the response?
Very good response. The people want it. If the people want it, the leaders will have to listen to the will of the people.
In Tripura, you are still the alliance partner, and you were hinting that you have waited for time, and the party with whom you are alliance, they are trying to, a section is trying to frustrate you. So, is the center aware of it?
I think the center is aware, but I think that 2 or 3 people don't make the whole BJP party, and that's what I think what the Home Minister tried to say, is that there may be 2 or 3 people similar to Ashok Bhattacharya, who was opposing the creation of TTADC when he said Dr. Debo ADC Devona. But Indira Gandhi overruled Ashok Bhattacharya and gave us the ADC. The same way, there are 3 or 4 people in the BJP, in the state, who do not want land rights, political rights, economic rights to be given to the Tiprasa people. But if Amit Shah ji is, the way he has told me, is as serious, then he should override them and give us what we want. Otherwise, we cannot unnecessarily be in power when our people are dying of hunger, they are not getting job opportunities, they are suffering. We cannot enjoy power that way.
But don't you think Amit Shah is more stronger but still not taking it?
I don't know if Amit Shah is stronger than Indira Gandhi. That time will tell. But I think that he is in command of his party. And Ashok Bhattacharya was a far more stronger leader opposing the creation of TTADC in the Congress than the present people who are trying to oppose us in Tripura. They are not even 1 inch of what Ashok Bhattacharya was.